Hi, this is Kevin with KGMGM, owner ProAdvertisersClub, a totally free site to advertise. Go to ProAdvertisersClub.com and join for free today and start advertising for free. Okay, here we are, day 47 on the $10,000 Splinterland challenge. This is a personal challenge to myself to see if I can increase the value of my assets to $10,000. This has nothing to do with Splinterlands. I am not a financial advisor. Listen to me at your own risk. This is for entertainment purposes only. And it is day 48 since I joined. And I've only been doing this for a couple weeks, making the videos. And these are the rules I got to go by that I made up. Okay, and this is basically just how I got to follow them to get to the total. And here's my personal investment, $354. I've already added that pack, right, the price anyway. So it's 61 packs, $354 total investment. As of today, the value is $760. I'm down to 102 cards, but look what's happened. My power points have gone up. So the reason my cards went down because I've changed my strategy, and which you will do. This game has so many different strategies on the financial side and on the game side. But this is, you want this number, the higher it is, it means the more powerful your collection is. These are the Splinterland shards that I get on airdrops. They are crypto. And I have approximately 250 of them right now. I'm getting about 7 a day because of this. And that's the value of it. It's down to 13 cents. It was at a quarter a month ago, but like everything else, it's dropped. So if I was to cash out today, I would be at that's what I would, after paying myself back, that's what I'd be at. So not a bad start. So what I'm going to do real quick, the beginning of every video, I'm trying to make one every day if possible, is I do a daily quest. I've completed it already. You got to win 5 battles. This one was a snipe quest, which means you got to use this ability. And I get one rewards chest, which has either it can have a pack in it, depending on your level. It can have a card in it. Could have credits. It could have all sorts of stuff. And at the end of the season, depending on what your level is the number of chests you get also. And they do a season every 12 to 15 days. And then I'm going to open a pack real quick. I don't need to do this for what I'm doing, but because of the video, it's fun to watch people open packs. So I'm doing that once a day. So let's go ahead and claim the reward. Now you can also get potions that will help you get a better chance of getting a nicer card when you open up a pack. So let's see what I get today. I got credits yesterday, I think. And that's what I got today. Okay, nothing to brag about. So let's go and open up. Let's go buy a pack first. Yeah, you can only use credits to buy a pack. Now, I only use platforms that you can use a credit card or crypto. I don't like to use crypto if that's the only option they give. So I call that user friendly for most of us, because then you're dealing with wallets and exchanges and all sorts of stuff. Okay, I have no potions, so I got my 1 pack here. I'm with 5 cards. You're guaranteed to get at least a rare, but what you want is a gold legendary. Summon cards are nice. All the gold cards are nice. Epic cards aren't bad. Okay, so that's a common, and this is a rare. Okay, this is gonna be some legendary. Nice, very nice. This is a great pack. Anytime you get a legendary. Okay, and good. Okay, so I got legendary and a rare, and the rest are commons. Now, what I do with these cards is, if I'm not going to use them in battle, I combine them, because these are all NFTs. And when you combine them, they destroy the old ones and make a new card, which is more powerful. And then they can max out. And so every day, there's less and less cards, which means every day they get more valuable. So let's go back to where am I at here? Go done. Okay, close. Okay, so now I'm going to show you all the different ways you can make money. As far as the gameplay goes, you just go to the battle, and the simplest I can make it is, and at first you're kind of like, it's overwhelming, but you're making up your strategy is to combine cards, and you only allowed to have so many slots and so much mana, and whatever you arrange it in, the person you're battling does the same thing, and then the computer just takes over and determines the outcome. So the all the strategy is before you do the battle. And at first you're like, well, what's the deal? But when you start playing it, I joined this because I'm an affiliate marketer, and they have an affiliate program. Which, by the way, I signed up 3 people yesterday, and this is, let's say this is the first way you can make money. You can do this also. You just post your link, and if people join up under you, I have the link below. If you like what I'm showing you, please join up underneath me. It helps me out. And I targeted the Philippines because they have a very high rate of game players for the cards for some reason. I was reading, and plus I got a 10% discount on the advertising platform that I was using. So anyway, I had a good day yesterday. 3 signups. One guy even got some rating. So we'll see how that turns out. I get 5% of everything, the spell book and the packs that you purchase. The spell book is basically just an entry fee for $10. You can join and play for free, but if you want to join the other side of it, making money on it, then you got to pay the entry fee. So yeah, like I said, the link's below. If you'd like to join, please do so on that. And anyway, so you can do it through the affiliate program. This is DEC. This is in-house dark energy crystals. It's a crypto. You get them for buying and selling cards. You get them for battling. If you're high enough level, you win DEC. Another way is the chest. Every day you do the quest. Another way is the season. Okay, so there's 4. Airdrop, there's 5. You can buy Splinterland shards, but you can just by your power ranking, you get free airdrops every day until they end it in another 150 days. And I don't know what they're going to do next after that. You got a guild you can join. You got an arena that you can battle in and get rewards. And let's see what the total rewards today is. It's monetary value, 618 over. In the last 3 years, they've paid out $5,166,933. Now, I don't use the arena because I haven't figured it out yet. I just haven't had time. I'm pretty much tied up with what I'm doing, but I'm going to get into it in the next few weeks. I'm probably going to join a guild. This is your cards, all the cards you own, and they give you cards to start off if you just want to play for free. So you don't need to, you don't need to invest any money at all. But in the market, buying and selling is what I've been doing very well at. Now the market's down. It has been since I joined because of everything else is down. I don't know why it's tied together, but it seems to be. And I'm for some reason frozen up here. But okay. Now, when you're in the market, there's Peak Monsters, Monster Market, Card Auction. I use Peak Monsters a lot. I haven't really, I'm not going to talk about these two because I really haven't used them yet. But you can see how cheap the cards are and how many there are. This is the cheapest to the most expensive, 816,355. That's a lot, but don't forget every day. Now it takes 400 cards to max this out, which means with a million mint run, that means the most there can ever be of a max card is 2,500. And not everybody's going to max it out. So you're talking maybe 1,500 max ever. We have over 400,000 plus people playing right now a day. A couple million signed up. And so every day this number gets less and less, and they burn more and more. And so to give you an example, let's go to, these are just the regular cards, all right, of all time. There's 475. The most expensive, and this is only 3 years old. Let me get to the bottom here. The most expensive one is $25,000. There's only 87 left. Okay. Let's go to now that means there's only 2 people wanting to sell it. There's nobody wanting to sell this one. Whoever has this 87, that they're just sitting on it. So you can see how the value will go up over time. So let's go to the gold. Let's go to the gold legendary and see what those are going for. There's 92 of those in existence. That's it. And that one is going currently at $588,000. Nobody's wanting to sell it. There's only 25 left. I mean, it's just incredible. It really is. So you can get in and start buying cards really, really cheap. And you can do it with the DC. Now, another way, and I'll show you, this is where I get my totals from. They add up from this changes every minute. It ranges through the day, plus or minus $50. Like right now, it's showing 804. I go by the lower number uh, instead of the higher number, so that it can fluctuate a lot. Um, this is my rental. Now you can rent the cards out. You're making money that way, and you don't have to sell your cards. So while they're increasing in value, becoming more rare, uh, more valuable every day, you can rent them out to people. And with these, what I make a day, I reinvest, buy more cards, and that's how I'm building it. And remember, I'm trying to get to 10,000, and I'm at roughly $500 on any given day. So not a bad start for the first month. I'm at the beginning of the second month, so not doing bad. Um, then they have land, which I haven't gotten into yet. They're about to drop some more. There's the card rentals. They haven't opened the store yet where you can buy and sell potions, and so there's just so many ways to make money on this. It's an absolute and like I said, I started off with the affiliate marketing, but the more I've played it, now I'm hooked. Being a Yu-Gi-Oh player when I was growing up, it's a very fun. The strategy is very if you're that type of person on both sides, because you're always moving stuff around, buying and selling cards, and then you're trying to build up your collection on, the ones that you like to battle with. So that's it for today. I will have another one tomorrow, and thank you for watching.